and support of everyone who has guided them on this remarkable journey. To our exceptional students who have proven time and again that brilliant knows no bounds when coupled with hard work, determination, and a thirst for knowledge. Each one of you has grown in unimaginable way, showcasing your unique talents and discovering new ones along the way. Today, we honor your resilience, curiosity, and relentless pursuit of excellence. You are the shining stars of our school. And we have everyone confidence that you will continue to shine even brighter as you progress in your educational endeavors. Kaya ba yun? Pag sa ibang school na kayo? Kaya? Thumbs up kayo! Yes! So dapat sa lilipatan ng school, awards din kayo, di ba? Okay. So, our distinguished faculty members, thank you for your unwavering commitment to nurturing and inspiring these young minds. You have been the guiding lights, igniting passion for learning, fostering creativity, and imparting valuable life skills that will forever attach in their hearts. Your dedication and expertise have shaped the dreams and aspirations of our students. And for that, we are forever grateful, dear teachers. To the parents and guardians, you have been the unwavering pillars of support for our students. Your love, encouragement, and guidance have played a pivotal role in their success. Today, we acknowledge your immense contribution to their growth, and we invite you to share in pride and joy in these fields of fruits. This recognition day is as much celebration of your commitment as it is achievements of our students. As we bring this momentous occasion to close, let us not forget the journey that lies ahead. Students will face new challenges, embrace fresh opportunities, and continue to soar the new height. Let us instill in them the unwavering belief that they possess the power of shape their own destinies and make positive impact on the world around them. To our beloved students, remember to embrace the unknown with courage, passion, and insatiable hunger for knowledge. Embody the values instilled in you, and let your action be testament to the outstanding education you have received. Let us dream big, reach for the star, and never forget the foundation that has brought you by our beloved Santa Maria Elementary School. Thank you all for joining on this special day. And may the future filled with endless possibilities for each and every one of you. Congratulations to our extraordinary achievers. Congratulations, parents. Congratulations, teachers. Congratulations, Sentel. We made